1G. The first generation of mobile networks was introduced in the late 1970s and early 1980s as the earliest form of cellular communication. It used analog radio signals to transmit voice calls between mobile phones and nearby cell towers. The technology emerged from early telecommunications research aimed at making telephone calls possible without fixed wires. What separated 1G from later systems was its purely analog design, which meant conversations were less secure and audio quality could be inconsistent. Even with those weaknesses, it established the foundation of cellular networks and proved that wireless communication could operate on a large scale. 2G. The second generation arrived in the early 1990s and marked a major technological shift from analog signals to digital communication. Systems such as GSM and CDMA were created by engineers seeking better efficiency, stronger security, and improved voice quality. By converting voice into digital data, 2G networks could transmit information more reliably while also introducing new services. Text messaging, or SMS, became widely used during this period and changed the way people communicated through mobile phones. This generation played a key role in turning mobile devices from luxury tools into everyday communication technology. 3G. The third generation began rolling out in the early 2000s to deliver faster data transmission and support real internet access on mobile devices. Technologies like UMTS and CDMA 2000 were designed to expand mobile capabilities beyond voice calls and simple messages. Compared with earlier networks, 3G offered significantly higher speeds, allowing people to browse websites, send emails, and even make video calls on their phones. Its defining feature was the introduction of practical mobile internet services. Because of this improvement, smartphones became more useful and began transforming how people accessed online information. 4G. The fourth generation was developed in the late 2000s to provide true broadband performance on mobile devices. Built around technologies such as LTE, this network generation replaced older communication systems with an architecture focused entirely on fast data transmission. LTE, or long-term evolution, improved efficiency, reduced delays, and allowed phones to reach speeds capable of streaming high-definition video and running complex applications. What distinguished 4G from earlier networks was its strong emphasis on internet connectivity rather than traditional voice communication. As a result, mobile devices evolved into powerful tools for media consumption, online services, and cloud-based applications. 5G. The fifth generation began appearing globally in the late 2010s as mobile traffic and connected devices increased dramatically. Engineers designed 5G networks to operate across a wider range of radio frequencies, while introducing advanced antenna technologies that can handle far more simultaneous connections. This generation stands out because of its extremely low latency and very high data rates compared with previous systems. Such capabilities make it possible to support technologies like autonomous vehicles, smart infrastructure, and large networks of connected sensors. The widespread deployment of 5G is shaping the next stage of digital communication. 6G. The sixth generation represents the next phase of wireless communication that researchers are currently developing. Work on this future network began in the early 2020s as scientists explored ways to go beyond the capabilities of existing systems. Concepts for 6G include the use of extremely high-frequency signals, advanced artificial intelligence to manage network traffic, and speeds far greater than current mobile technologies. What sets this upcoming generation apart is its ambition to support immersive digital environments and massive machine-to-machine communication. Although commercial deployment has not yet begun, it is expected to redefine how global wireless networks operate in the decades ahead. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. A huge thank you to all my new subscribers. Welcome to our community.